unboxing world, and the magic begins with this box. You can make your own Forky, your own Ducky and Bunny, your own Buzz. Like it says Toy Story 4.
Who do you have all back here? You have all of your characters.
Who's back there, Gracie?
Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. And you have Woody hiding back there on, who's he sitting on?
Bullseye?
Bullseye. Your little Jessie out there chilling with Woody. And you got Buzz.
To
Infinity
and beyond.
and beyond. Look at Slinky Dog over here. He just wants to play. There's a Forky, but we're fixing to make our own Forky, ain't we?
Yeah, and you guys, there's a miniature Forky and a huge Forky.
Yeah. Oh, Gabby. You got Gabby.
Yeah, and there's a Giggle.
All right, let's get the unboxing.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see Mom's shirt. What has she got on?
Yeah.
You got a friend to meet. And what do you have on?
It's a Toy Story shirt.
All right, nice.
It has, you guys want to see all the
Who else
kids?
on your shirt?
Buzz, the alien, another alien,
Yeah. I like
Woody and Bullseye,
that. Let's get the unboxing.
Slinky and Rex.
So, G
It's gonna be Sherry Gray.
Y.
All right, now peel the
Now.
back off. Get Mom to peel
Look,
the back
we're
off.
gonna take the back of it off, and you're gonna have your own share of bags.
And everybody's watching. Oh,
All right, buddy, let's put it on.
Infinity and
Put
beyond.
your badge on. Let's see, and there is Sheriff
You got a friend.
Gray.
Sheriff Gray's got a friend
That's
in me.
awesome.
All right. So let's do Forky.
So we're gonna need a sport first. What I got in my hand, and you see these two popsicle sticks? What are short? We're gonna use those when we get to his feet.
You want to put his eyes on there?
Yeah, put his
See his eyes? Look.
Yes, so there's
So
one
you're
big.
going to put this eye, Grayson, where the big circle is. Show them where you're going to put the eye.
This one is where the big eye is.
And
So you just do that to put it on. And you see this eye, it actually, Mom, this eye actually works like a,
googly eye.
yeah.
Hey, and here's the little one. Don't get the, hold it where you don't stick the,
That's weird.
All right.
show Dad. Show everybody your eyes.
You already got the eyes on, googly eyes. All right.
All right, now let's see. This right here is supposed to be for his eyebrows. We might need to cut this.
And for his mouth,
Is the blue.
yeah.
We're gonna have to cut this.
Hey, you guys, be careful with modeling clay and glue, because they're very dangerous.
Right. You gotta have your family.
Dad, you know,
Hold on. There's not.
no, it's supposed to go
Hey,
like
Gray.
on the Forky toy. Like this.
Okay, stick it
But
in.
look, Grayson, look what this is. Do you know what this is?
What?
It's the rainbow that goes on his foot.
Yeah,
Here.
I remember that from the movie.
Right. There's that.
All right,
Now,
bud, here's the rainbow.
what is that for?
It's for this foot.
Oh, okay,
Mommy
like
can
that
get it.
one. Okay.
Because you know,
Yeah, that rainbow.
well, there's no rainbow on the miniature Forky.
Well, guys.
We gotta have our own Forky, you guys. Sorry, it's being weird.
See if Dad can get that rainbow.
Sharp, sharp, sharply sharp. Sharp, sharp, sharply sharp.
Are we supposed to use the glue? I don't know. Maybe we're
Yeah,
supposed to use the
probably
glue. Let's see.
Put a little dab on there.
Okay, Gracie.
Put a little dab on
There's a
there.
little bit of dab of glue. So here you go. Stick it on his foot. Hold it at the edge. There you go. Stick it on his foot.
Edge,
Stick it on his foot.
edge, 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 edge. And you make it go like in one.
There you go.
Good job.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right, buddy. And
All right.
now, here's this. Look, these are going to be Forky's eyebrows, so I guess you just kind of make
You know
it.
what? I'd probably do that without sticking it in there to form it on there.
Yeah, look. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to get some glue on the back of this.
All right.
Mommy is starting with her with his little cute smile. And you guys see this? This is for his arms.
We need to do another.
That looks so good.
What's so funny, Gray?
We need to do another
What's so
piece
funny?
for his top, guys. We'll do it like that.
He looks like a creepy sport.
Sport.
And I'm trying to model play this.
There we go.
So you can build your own Forky at home too.
There's his mouth.
Yeah, only if you buy this.
With a Toy Story creative set.
Ew.
Okay, now put his arms on.
You gotta put his arms on, bud.
Okay.
So I don't know how.
You have to do it like Bonnie did. And Forky is like a real sport.
Here, so I put it around him, buddy.
So you just put this around him. Mom, I'm gonna need help.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Yes, Daddy!
Do one.
I like my sheriff badge.
Oh.
It says Sheriff Gray.
Yeah, we like that. Sheriff Gray.
Doing, 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 doing. Look at what I'm doing to my nose. Ah!
He's Slinky.
Now, put him
Slinky
in
Dogs
the-
was cool.
Put him down in the mold. Oh, that is awesome!
Da, da, da. I'm his Forky.
Made your very own
All
Forky.
Now do you want to make?
I mean, look
Here,
at the two.
build your bud.
Look how good he looks.
Yeah, good job.
Look. Dun, 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 dun.
Ours is on the left, and another one that was professionally done on the right. Not a big difference.
All right, so this is gonna be Bud.
He does have a big mouth. He does. He got a big mouth.
Yep.
All right, Bud.
Oh,
Look what we're gonna do now.
what you got?
Look, so this is Buzz's head. So put it like where Buzz's head would go on this green thing. Because that's Buzz's shadow. Okay, and then here is Buzz's, I guess that goes underneath him.
All right.
Let me just put on his head.
Buddy, I think it's, once it's stuck, it's pretty
Once
much
that's on there,
stuck.
it is on.
Yeah. All right, and then here is his pants.
Why?
Back, everyone.
What, Bud?
Everyone take cover.
What?
I think this arm goes over here, I think. No, or does it go over here?
Buzz Lightyear mission.
I don't know, Bubba.
All signs point to this planet as location of Zerg's fortress, but there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
What you're gonna do, what you'll do is I'm gonna do this
I'm just
part.
get the googly eyes.
They're over
So
there.
you glue your two blue balls together.
Glue them.
And that's gonna make Bunny
That's very funny.
a bunny.
A bunny, a ducky, a bum, bum.
Now, what's the orange thing for?
That is
Oh, his
Ducky's
feet.
feet.
Feet, yeah.
I can't get this googly eye. Oh, thanks.
Alright. That's some good glue. Now you gotta put his feet on.
You mean his
Now, whose
ear?
mouth is this, I wonder? Is that Bunny's? That's Bunny's,
Yeah.
isn't it? So let me put,
Don't forget his ears.
don't forget his ears.
These are.
You gotta put Ducky's feet on, buddy.
Little Bo Peep, she lost her sheep.
Hey, hey! Let me make her talk so you guys can hear me.
Alright, go ahead.
Yes, they do.
Alright,
Whoa.
just the whole whole crew's here. The whole crew.
Let me put her.
Come on, Forky. You go.
Oh, and there's Chicky's mouth. See it, buddy?
Yeah. Ew, ew, ew.
Put the feet on. Those go.
What the heck?
Alright, that's enough glue. You gotta
Hey,
leak.
yeah, you've got
You
plenty.
way too much glue.
Oh god, some glue on my hand.
Oh, it's leaking
Hey,
everywhere.
buddy, you gotta put the feet on. Or...
You get.
Sorry, I got a little carried away there. Here's his little feet. Here's his eyes.
And
Ew, his
And I gotta put some ears.
ew. This Forky is just
alright, Gray. Tell everybody they need to go out and buy this.
yeah. You guys, you have to watch the end of this before you buy it.
Yeah, we gotta make.
Toy Story 4 Creative Set.
And look, I just made some pair of legs.
And you can get that.
And I made some pair of legs, and you can get it at Big Lots.
Yeah, we did get that at Big Lots. didn't we? Nice. Good bunny.
Well, you know, you guys.
Alright, looks like everybody's done.
Well, you
Except
guys.
for that mouth that goes on Chicky.
Oh yeah, Chicky's mouth. Chicky's mouth. Chicky's mouth.
Look at that.
I'm a little guy. Oh. Little googly eyes. You will see these googly eyes actually work. And his mouth doesn't actually work.
Alright.
And look at them! They look so ugly.
Chicky.
Alright.
Chicky.
But they're
These are your extras.
Let's show everybody the. Let's go show everybody the ending product. Set them down. Grayson, set them back down.
Bye, 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 bye,
It was
bye.
lots of fun doing it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Everybody, I think Buzz agrees.
Who goes there?
What did he just say?
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Oh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Y'all are falling!
Like and subscribe to our channel now.